Hey, how you doing? This is the first part of the build of the radio flyer, the wagon. I have the blue one posted. I got a lot of questions how it's built and what I made the things out of and just the little details and items. Some of the questions were about the zoomies on the side, and basically this is what the zoomies are. Just a piece of pipe that's cut on an angle with the backing plate on the side right here. You can choose any size you want. This is just a piece of galvanized conduit to an 1/8 inch steel plate, which I'm going to drill 4 holes, one here and one here, and same thing on the other side. This is what they look like mocked up on the wagon. The rear wheels are just a truck, like a dolly wheels, which I'm going to paint white to this line and red on the inserts. The frame is just a regular piece of angle iron. Nothing special. I reused the axles. The front is a little more, as you can see, it's pretty rusty. It's going to powder coat anyways, but the front is a little more complicated. I'm sorry. This is for a customer. Somebody asked me to build it, so pretty much didn't give me a budget, so I went a little overboard on this one. This one has actual machine pieces with Heim joint steering. I have these are brass bushings to kind of reduce the friction. I've made this plate which goes to a pivot point, and this is what it looks like. This is the front pivot point for the actual handle that's going to be used on that. So same thing, 1/4 bolts. Inside is a machine sleeve. This slides over it and holds it in place. We're still going to have to add the actual bar, which I have to machine a piece so you get the articulation and the side-to-side movement. What else? Oh, and I have to make the axles right here, which it's going to be, I just have to figure out the actual movement where the wheel's going to mount. On this one I'm going to use steel wheels from Tractor Supply. They just are like a red wagon wheels. They sell them with actual bearings in it, so it's going to be a little bit nicer than the radio flyer wheels. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And then just all the little details. I still got to post it there inside. It's going to have the tuck and roll. This one's going to be all black. The frame and all the other stuff. The tub's going to be dark gray, metallic. That's per order of the customer. That's what he wanted. With cool little details, like the flyer set up on the side. The sticker's going to be right here. It's going to be 57 Chevy font. Probably red and white, or like off-white. I still have to make the actual frame rail cover, which is going to be right here. Just like on my other one, it's going to taper to the front. I'll show you the one that's on there right now. This is the frame rail cover right here. So, and I still have to make the shifter for the other one. But essentially, very, very simple. Nothing spectacular. But this is what basically looks like, you know, as being built. Like I said, I spent a little more time on this front setup. The front drop axle, I just bent a piece of stainless. Still have to be finished right here a little bit. I don't have it too bent, I just bent it with heat. But like I said, on this one I spent a bit more time designing this pivot and the steering setup. So, but in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. I'll post the video when it's all done. But those are the zoomies. Like I said, the wheels are from, actually I'll show you, from just a hand truck dolly type of thing. This holds my torches, so. But I had a spare one kicking around. It was pretty mangled, but the wheels were good, so I used them. And that's about it. Those are the zoomies. There's the rusty tub. The frame, like I said, it's 1x1 angle. Nothing really spectacular with a cross brace. 2 carriage bolts holding the tub in. And that's pretty much it. The video quality probably is not going to be as good. I'm using my iPhone, so like I said, I have about probably 7 hours into it so far. Still got a little bit of ways to go, but I'm hoping to get all the rough work, the rough fab work done probably today or tomorrow. Still waiting on the wheels. Got to get those done, mounted and set them. I'm going to make the side covers today. I'll drill the holes, and that's about it. So I'll post another video when it's pretty close to being, when it's put together as in assembled, and I'll post a video when it's all done. Alright guys, alright, have a good one.